Welcome to Aravish Quotes. Beautiful quotes to remember forever. Happy Valentine's Day to all. The value of togetherness is the showcase of bonding. It just not displays the values but also the spirit of oneness. Truly, they are made for each other. With the passage of time, we learn everything about ourselves and our surroundings. Love is not about just dating with each other. It is the trust and bonding between each other. The joy in your face, the confidence in your eyes gives the hope and connects our expectations. My promise to you to retain your happiness forever. I wasn't aware that life without you is meaningless. Our hearts are connected with each other, tied with an invisible thread called love. Love never requires any conditional sign off. It's always unconditional and truthful. When our eyes look each other, I start searching myself in your eyes. Love can be measured by caring and togetherness. We were all alone to look back our past and to build a new future, a future of our togetherness. We are lost not in the life, we lost the thought of losing. If you are determined, you will never lose. Together, we can build a beautiful life. Together is not a feeling, it's a way of leading the life. Learn to control your anger. Your decisions are influenced by it. No love story is happy always. The small fights that they do brings them more closer. You are my partner, a partner in my every moments of life. Some promises are become a lifeline. Do not promise if it is not possible to keep up because the trust is not on the promise you do, it is on you who make the promise. Love is a weird thing, it can make you strong as well as weak. Holding hands is a promise of being there always unconditionally. I hold your hand to assure my love and care on you to start a beautiful life. Amidst the colors of love, you are always evergreen in my mind, heart, and soul. Love you means I trust you fully. Whenever I see you, my mind is freezed and just trying to find myself in you. I love you is a magical words that can take you from nowhere to everywhere. No beauty lies in your eyes. It is just reflection of heart and mind shown in your eyes. Don't be afraid. There will be uncertainties. Together, let's face it and win over it. Roses speak of love, and its thorns speak of winning the love. Your hug has got the magical power to unwind self and mesmerize the mind. Making memories with you is a wonderful feeling and a treasure to cherish always. Let's smile together. It is the baseline for our bondings. Made for each other is not just words, it is the way of life for many. Our memories of love are an evergreen symphony that keeps playing in my heart. A beautiful feeling connecting the soul. My heart is like a black hole, only incoming is allowed. It will be a paradise if your loved one is around you. The time you spent will be a treasure for the lifetime. When you have that surprise moment of meeting your loved one, the love jar opens automatically and starts spreading the love waves. The bonding we have is always special, and you are the one who made it eternal. Love is that support which can make you a Herculean to conquer the world. Whenever you are with me, I feel complete. Just one drop of love can make wonders and brings a step closer to you. Love begins when you start trusting a person and see the connection between your mind and his or her actions. Return my love. It is reserved for you and I cannot let anyone else in your place. With you, life feels complete. You became my soul and brought out the child in me. Let's make our world a wonderland to live on. Nobody can take your place in making my life happy or miserable. Every heart requires a partner to share the true feelings. No distance can separate when two hearts get united. It is a beautiful bonding built on the trust of each other. I choose you as our mind waves are common and can feel the love you have for myself. Where there is a good understanding between each other, that family deserves all happiness. Every beautiful heart double up the love around it. To save a relationship, you should know to forgive mistakes and forget your ego. Size of one's heart depends on the magnitude of his deeds. Love is full of beauty and can be seen only through your heart. Thanks a lot for listening. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Cheers.